Okay, hi y'all, and welcome back. This is Wade with Jimmy Ranch Homestead, and we got a motorcycle carrier here to haul around our e-bike that we got. So, yeah, and it's from Harbor Freight, and here it is. See that? And we're getting ready to put it together, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it together on the back of the truck. So I'll be right with you as soon as I open it up. All right, y'all, we're back, and we got it all laid out down here, all the parts. So over here we got the hitch that goes in the back of the receiver, by itself, the ramp, and then anyhow, as you can see, well, I'm gonna put the receiver in the back of the truck right here. Move this over here where we can see a little more. There we go. Anyhow, all right. That fell, but you know, I have a little thing. Anyhow, what we got here is the 2-inch receiver hitch. We got some. Put that on. Okay. Just like so. I can't find the directions, so we're going to have to play it by ear. But as far as I know, that goes just like so. Get me a wrench. Well, they don't have directions. I can't find it. But I got to get some tools to put this together, and I shall return. Okay. We're missing some bolts, folks. And anyhow, we got these, so I'm going to put these on. Some of these are here. Oh, there goes one rolling away like a chiclet. There's a bag of stuff, but it don't have no extra bolts in it. I mean nuts. And it don't have no washers. So, what do you expect for? They used to be just like $100. Now they're $160 for this thing, and like I said, missing pieces. Which is not cool. I can steal one from something else till I get back to Harbor Freight and tell them about it. This is very uncool, Harbor Freight. Very uncool. Find the correct socket here. All right. Looks like maybe it's 13. Nope, smaller than that. Maybe a 12. Maybe it's standard. Well, that's a 12. Let's try a 1/2 inch. I'll be darned. A 1/2 inch. I'll be shucks. Anyhow, that's cool. They're standard. All right, here we go. Let's tighten this up some. There's a wrench here. Somewhere, there it is. Alright, tighten this up and get right back to things. Alright. Got that. Now you don't need to watch me tighten them all up, so as soon as I get, there's 6 of them here, folks, and as soon as I get these 6 done, I shall be right back with you. Okay, got this all on. Now comes this part. These here are tire clamps. They're what holds the tires on for our lock mechanism. So we're going to put this in here just like so. And this is one of the bolts that's missing. I mean nuts. So, but the good thing is, since it is ½ inch, I do have some. Need to get these 2 right here. Put on these here bolts. See, some people put them the other way, which, like this, is what I'm going to do too. Figure this out. Like so. Got that one in. Now time for this one. I know you can't see in my head, but sorry about that. Anyhow. Alright, that's the go. Then the other one goes on right there. And then this, which I'm going to have to find a couple of bolts for, because they're missing. So, anyhow. Okay, y'all. We got it together, but we got some problems. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to modify this thing. And I'll show you why. As you can see, the back tire sits down kind of the way it's supposed to. Not quite, because they're supposed to be able to put one of these pins. Where'd they go? Right here. These pins right here, through here, like so, and come across here and go into that one to hold your tire in. Well, that don't work. So what I'm going to have to do is drill this out, move it this way, remove this, and move it this way. So that's set down there, so I can put the pins in to lock it in place so it does not go anywhere. Okay, the front, same thing. As you can see, it's way up off there. So this here's sitting almost in there. So this one's going to probably have to go pretty close to right and all the way against this one. And then this under here is going to have to be moved, the brace, and put back here too, or up here. I'll have to wait and see after I put the tires down there. So that's where we stand right now, folks, to see what's going on. So we'll be back. Other than that, if it ain't one thing, it's another. But that's life here down on the farm. So we'll be back. Okay, y'all. I got it done. Well, almost. I got a couple little odds and ends, but anyway, here's the final result. Right here is what I did. I drilled this one out, which was the one that was here, and moved it back about 3 inches. Same way with the one here in the front that was right here. And I moved it back about 3 inches. And now see, my tires set down in there. This thing's a little tight, but I'll have to loosen it up and move it. But see, with these things clamped down, look at this. This bike is pretty solid on there. I mean, yeah, the hitch moves itself because it sticks out so far. But all in all, it's pretty tight. See what these do? See how this goes in there? This goes in there, and what it does, it keeps the back tire from popping out. I will take a piece of half inch PVC and stick on this so it don't scratch it. Same way with the one in the front, because I'm going to move it back from where it is, because it ain't exactly centered. This is real shallow right here. I want to take it and move it to right about here, the deep part of the tire. This whole thing's going to get moved over, and when it does, then it'll be tight, and I just got to put the bolts back in this right here that came out, that I took out. Same way as the one on the other side. That's what the hole's for. But I don't know. Oh, I have something else to show you. Right here. This here is a ramp. This sets on it like so. Like so. So you can push it up and down. Does the same on the front. So I can take it off that way. Right now, I think my tripod's in the way. Yeah, it's in the way. I can move, it'll move, okay. Like that, see? And then you just ride it right off there. So, and then to store it, it sits right here, like so. Let me put this tight. Then you take this, turn it, the little doohickey, and tighten it down. And that's how it rides. It's got reflectors on it right here. I don't know if you can see them because it's kind of dark, the light shining in. But anyway, it's got them on both ends, reflectors. And I might take and put regular brake lights and that on it, because I just like the extra security of knowing that people can see me. So, but anyhow, all in all with it, folks, I'm pretty glad that that's the way it is. So it worked out good. Ooh, excuse me. I'm sweating like a stuck pig out here. It is hot. It's so hot here. Our hogs out there, they're sweating bacon. And when we checked the eggs out there, the chickens were laying fried eggs. It's so hot down here in this part of the Ozarks. And it's only supposed to get to like 105 today. Yesterday it was like 116, I think's what it was. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But it was hot. That was the normal temperature with the heat index was up to 142, I believe. It was hot down here yesterday. Today, we had a little rain come in last night and it cooled things off a little bit. But it's like 1:30 in the afternoon now. and the humidity from all that rain from that sun's pulling it up in the air, and it's making it real humid down here again. Okay folks, we finally got her all done and put back together, and this is what it's supposed to do. I didn't have it right. There we go. Alright, it's like anything, you know. Like so, folks. And you put that through there, locks that one. This one. Oh, gotta move my tire. Those folks are in the way. Did that move it out of the way? Yeah. Like that. Move it out of the way. Take this, turn it to catches. Move it over to center. Like so. Lock it in there. Just like that, folks. There we go. And then we got cotter pins that get put on each one of these. And that's how you do it. And I got ratchet straps set up. Put through here. Lock it in. Right in this one. Same thing. Yeah. Like that. Zip it tight. Zip tight. And there we go. See that? Look how that is, folks. That's up. Take the rack off. Put it through here. And there we go. Then she's all ready. And I'll take these and use them to tie it off some more. Actually, what I'll do, I'll cut these down, since I know now, to about right here. Well, actually maybe down here and bring it up and tie it right there. That's what I'll do. But there she is, pardon me. And yep, that's the way it goes, folks. So all in all, it's not bad for the money. It's a whole lot cheaper than me buying one, and that's the way it goes. Sitting on there, ride just as pretty. It ain't in the way of the lights. See, look at that thing, you know. I mean, it's solid. It isn't going nowhere. That thing, it's good. For the money, it's rated for 400 pounds. So, it's rated for 400 pounds, so I should do good with it. No problem, because this only weighs like 120, so we're good 300 pounds. 280 pounds, 260, give or take, I don't know. Something like that, but anyhow, if you like these, let us know. Like, share, and subscribe. That's the best way to help our channel grow, folks. And we sure appreciate it. Have a better than average day, and we'll see you on the next one. And I'm Wade, and I'm out.